How to connect n8n AI agent with GoHighLevel. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can connect GoHighLevel with n8n. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you need to do is you need to create an account on both of these tools. You can create an account on n8n and also GoHighLevel by clicking the link in the description below. It'll take you to the sign up page where you can sign up, and once you're signed up you should be good to go. Now once you've signed up onto n8n, it'll basically tell you and bring you to this page, and it'll tell you to go ahead and get started, right? Create your first workflow. So you can either try with AI or try with from scratch. And for GoHighLevel, I've already created one workflow, as you can see right here. So we'll create another one as an example. So I'll just simply click on start from scratch, and then it'll open up the automation page over here where you can get started. For this one, we are going to be selecting a SMS. So for this one, it's going to be customer reply, right? So we'll go ahead and select customer replied, and then, yeah, that's fine. We can go with, yeah, it's fine. We can click on save trigger. So whenever a customer replies us, we'll get that notification. You can, of course, set up multiple different filters as well. So if you click on filters, you can select, and here you can select with whichever option you want. So we could go with reply channel. We can select type of option we want. We can go with select SMS. And then for this one, we can go with, well, we don't actually need this, so we'll just remove this. We just needed this one, and then we'll click on save. And then next, we want to add a custom webhook. So we'll just go ahead and add custom webhook over here. Since, you know, GoHighLevel does not have the n8n integration installed, so we'll go with custom webhooks, add it over here, event over here, custom, and method is going to be post, and here you add the URL. Now, where do you get this URL? You come over here onto n8n, you click on start from scratch. All right. It'll open up the editor, click on first step, and here you want to come down over here and you want to select on webhook call. Select on webhook call, and here it'll open up this section. Then we just simply copy the URL. All right, come over here and then just paste the URL and scroll down below. You'll see the raw body. Of course, here you can add whatever option you want, add whatever mail you want, but whatever you want. And yeah, it looks good. And then we just simply save it, and then we add another one. For this one, it's going to be SMS. So send SMS. We're going to select that. And then here you type in the message you want. It can even be a code. I recommend putting it a code that is similar to the custom webhook. Just add in a simple code over here, whatever you want to call. Add like a test number over here to send a text, see whether or not it's working. Click on save. All right. Now, then you can just simply click over here and then just simply click on this button. And here we can go ahead and select our own contact, you know, whatever. And then we click on send test request. And here we click on listen for testing. And we can see over here, we'll go ahead and test again. We should receive it. It says request is invalid. I think it's because I forgot the code. I haven't added any body as well. So not found. Yeah, I should add the body as well. But once it's added, we should be good to go. Then we just simply leave it as it is and it'll receive the code over here. All right, I think it works. Once you finish building up, we should be good to go. So we can listen for this test again. And let me test again, see if it works. Just select the contact, select send test. 404 error. I forgot the body. I think it's because I'm not adding the number over here. That's why it's not working. But once you've added the link, it should work. Then you just simply click on save and just simply click on, you know, listening over here. Test for listening. And then just simply send it over here. I'll just maybe like this one, I'll send that. Click on run test. It should pop up over here. Once it does, we should be good to go. And it's as simple as that. Once it's done, you're good to go. Then you will automatically get messages whenever someone replies on your post from GoHighLevel. You get with the custom webhooks, you'll be sent an SMS to the number that you've added over here through n8n. So it's as simple as that. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.